Guys, my name is Ziad. Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are back to play Subway Surfer. So we're gonna do part 2 about completing these cats. I just have 5, so the last video just had 4, but I played this game. I have 5. Yeah, so let's complete it to 10 this video. Yeah, so let's play. Before we play, please subscribe to my channel because we're gonna do this channel. You're gonna help me to this channel for getting 20 subscribers on my second channel right now. Please like and subscribe right now for reaching me 20 subscribers. So let's play. Okay, let's play. Okay, let's do this. What is this? Music, sound effector. Quit. Leave. Oh, I just leave. Okay. Let's go, guys. Can you just shut the fuck up? You're so annoying. You're so annoying, yeah. Let's complete this cat, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Don't mind giving this, so let's go, guys. Let's go. There's a cat over here. Did you see that? Oh my, you bitch! You just let me. Yeah. Oh my god. You bitch! You didn't let me catch the cat. Oh my god! This is all your fault. This is all your fault, police. You did not let me catch the cat. All your fault because you're gonna pay it. Yeah, this is all your fault. You cannot let me just play and then you let me. How dare you, bitch? Thank you. Ha. See you later. I'm going to New York. Yeah, see you later. Ha. Look, guys, I'm in Ninja. Okay, just shut up and let me go. Can you just shut the fuck up? You're so annoying. Ah! I almost die. No, just trying. Go and kill them, not me. Okay. Ah! What the? You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, I just completed for no reason and then they did not give me a good ending. Oh my god. This is unacceptable, god. This is unacceptable. Trot into what and get out of my screen. I walking like a duck again? It looks funny. Do you guys? Don't tease me because I look funny, like I walking like a duck. Do bang. What the hell? This is unacceptable, guys. When I play, lose many times, multiple. I did not good at this game. Yeah, guys, I did not good at this game. So, what is this again? Okay. Wow, I have a lot of coins now. Pilot? I'm not going to be a pilot. Hey. Oh my god, I almost died, guys. Let's keep watching, guys. Oh my god, this bitch. I'm gonna just replay again. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Replay again. Let's replay again, guys. Let's replay. So let's complete this game. So I just replay, guys. So I have to complete it, or else I don't want to fail my task. Yeah. So my mission have to complete it. I didn't complete it in the last level, so I'm gonna complete it. I didn't get this cat. Oh my god, no. That's okay. Pilot again. I told you I don't want to be a pilot. I want to be a teacher. Teacher! Yeah. They can... Ninja? Like me, I'm still ninja. Yeah, guys. So, guys, let's go. Oh. Pilot again? You gotta be fucking kidding me. I'm not going to be a pilot. You're gonna be a pilot. Do you recognize this? I walk like a douchebag again. What is that sound? Yeah, guys, I just walk like a dog. Where is it? This, where at? Yay, I'm gonna go to the flying. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Okay. Yay! Yeah, guys, I walk like a douchebag again. Yeah, I have a lot of coins. Yeah, guys, I have a lot of coins, guys. Okay. No! Don't kill me. I want to be alive, not to kill. I didn't get this cat. Oh my god, no. Why can I get this cat? No, why can I? Okay. Don't know about jumping score, so... Okay. Okay. Oh, this cat. Yes, I have 6 cats now. Yes, we are almost done, guys. I just completed 6 cats. Yeah. You bitch. Yeah. Okay. No. What the hell? Oh my god. Yeah, guys, I just completed this 6 cat. Yeah, my god, can you believe, guys, I just completed this 6 cat. Oh my god, do you remember, guys, I just completed this 6 cat in my alive stream. Yeah, guys, look. This. I'm going to play again, guys. Okay. Hey, get away from me, get away. Last time. I cannot lose this time. They walk slowly. You fucking bitch. Oh my god. Reward in 3, 2, 1. No, I don't want a reward. You're gonna get this reward. Get out of my stream right now. Where I'm going? Oh my god, high score. Okay. Oh my god. What is the cat? I want to complete it. Oh my god. Losing 3 times is not like when I'm chicken, guys. Oh my god. So I'm gonna learn how to complete this game. Yeah, guys. To start it like. Yeah, guys. This. Oh, easy level, guys. Easy peasy. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay. What? Didn't get this. Oh my god, no. Wow, I have lots of coins now. Haha. Oh my god. Don't want to watch. Please. This ad is normal, guys. Do you think what is ad normal? Comment down below. Yeah. Starting it what? What starting? Wow. Hey! You bitch! Oh my god, this one is so annoying. Oh my god. They do this. Oh my god. Let's go. I'm gonna take a lot of coins now, guys. Wow, guys, I've taken a lot of coins. Oh my god, this is the last time. Oh my god, this is not like I was thinking, guys. So this video I'm gonna do the coins to 100. Okay. Oh my god. I have a lot of coins now. Yay! Yay, guys, I have a lot of coins now. Yay! Yay, guys, yay. Oh my god. I have a lot of coins now. Now I have a lot of coins now, guys. Okay. I have a lot of coins now. Yeah, I'm gonna be super rich, guys. I'm gonna be super rich. Oh my god. Oh my god. I die. I just died, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I just died. What is this? Let's open it. A coin. Okay. Is this? Let's go. Yeah. Claim it. Yeah, guys, I just completed the sixth cat. So where's my reward? Take this. Collect this water arm and this more selected. Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, I just completed. So So this is the last game I played. So let's play, guys. This is the last time I played this game. So I just completed into 1,000 coins. Yeah, like Murad. Murad is good at playing this game, and I'm good too. If you want me to do complete the coins about 2,000, comment down below, and then I will do that. Oh my god! What the hell? I didn't get this. Oh my god! I'm so unlucky. Unlucky. Oh god! Oh my god! Oh god! Hey, get out of my sight, you. Oh my god! We're gonna go to the subway. No, God. Get out! Mystery? What is that? I don't know what kind of this. That can, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, this is like, wow, I have a lot of